Do you hear that? That's the sound of millions of Italian hearts breaking. You actually don't need a full pot of water to cook pasta. You can place a small amount of water, just enough to cook your pasta that you want. Never put oil in your water. Adding oil into the water does not stop pasta sticking together. It'll only make your pasta slippery, which means your delicious sauce won't stick. Your pasta water does not have to taste like the ocean. It should just have enough salt. The starchy water is something you can always use to thicken up your sauces, so salting it too much can cause your dish to be too salty. Never put your pasta in cold water that didn't boil yet. This is probably the worst crime you can ever do to pasta. Your long pasta will be pliable enough as the water boils to fit into the pan. Stir your pasta with tongs or a spatula to unstick them. That starchy water is gold. Save it to thicken up your sauces. The best way to check for the doneness of your pasta is to taste it. Never rinse your pasta. You remove the starchy coating so less sauce sticks on your pasta. Transfer your pasta water directly to your sauce. Don't cook your pasta all the way through in the pot. Leave the last 2 minutes to cook within the sauce so they're always perfectly al dente. Pasta shapes make a difference. Fusilli and conchiglie work well with rich fresh sauces like marinara because they hold the sauce nicely. Spaghetti and rigatoni are good with more structured sauces like bolognese. And thin pastas like taglioni, capellini, or linguine are good with lighter sauces like pesto. As a general rule to remember, the whiter the noodle, the heavier the sauce.